Are they ever gonna reveal his face?
It was me, Your Majesty. I wanted to know what had happened to the Emperor and all
They
his
died!
subjects.
They're locked in solitary confinement.
Let's have a look.
Wait, were they sent to a lab for testing or something?
Huh. Just like those evil rats from Ratatouille.
They have... This is like the rat version of Arkham Asylum. They were sent to an insane asylum. Dude! This is just mind-fucking.
I cannot believe what I'm seeing here.
Kill each other! Kill each other!
I love the floor.
They could have made this the whole movie. And it would have made just as much sense.
Okay, that is...
Help her.
Yes, Doctor.
You better give me good money for this.
Oh, I thought she was just gonna go walk up to him and go, no! Bad!
Doctor, you must believe me. I'm not mad. I'm not like them. Let me go. Let me go. I must return to Atlantis and take the real elixir of life. I was betrayed. Someone replaced the flask. Doctor, if you let me go, you'll become the Emperor's personal doctor. Trust me. Don't go.
He's like,
I'm telling you the truth.
no.
As soon as I get back, I'll give you all the riches and power of the world. Believe me.
Mm-hmm.
He's got a really big personality, but unfortunately there's no hope for him. He's as mad as a hatter. He keeps talking about Atlantis, of mermen and mermaids.
Of course.
I'm afraid we'll have to keep him in here forever.
Forever!
Who's the real bad guy then? No.
Let the dance
No.
commence.
Oh god. He's like, there's so many bubbles lifting up, you could swear that it would like raise the Titanic into the sky.
Mm.
Heaven knows that you'll always be the true love of my life, the great prince of all my dreams. What I feel for you is beyond all the
Like-
sea.
Wait a minute.
Hey, didn't he get married?
You so near me, I feel complete.
He's cheating!
Maybe they had a divorce in between the first and second movie, and then he married someone else.
Huh. Reveal your face!
Never. It's nice to have the Titanic risen and in the secret island, which is actually right off the coast of Puerto Rico. In fact, it's only like 2 miles away from it. You can see it, but no one really cares.
Yeah, nobody cares. The movie's over. The end.
The end. The end. The end, damn it, the end!
The real end! There are no sequels! Thank God!
This is like, I swear, okay. Time to give our thoughts about this movie. This movie is like a bad fan fiction.
Yes.
Ray?
The Man Ray!
Ice.
Vanilla Ice.
Kingo. I keep forgetting his name's Top Connors. Now why is the movie called Tentacolino if he barely has any time in this movie?
Well, at least we didn't see him that much in the movie. Which is good.
Yeah, considering he's annoying. He's just annoying.
Yes, he fucked up history.
At least I'm glad that... Oh god, not those things.
Ugh. Will you shut the fuck up? Yeah! And you got and this song needs to go pee. Nah!
This movie is just... To all the people who had to endure this with us, I apologize. With the utmost sincerity, I apologize.
Yes.
But you'll be happy to know that the Titanic trilogy is done. Even though technically the first Titanic movie we did commentary on has nothing to do with the two we just did, you'll be happy to know that the Titanic movies are done.
All done.
Finito. Bye-bye. So long. That's all she wrote.
Sayonara.
Now we need to think about what movie we're going to do next.
Well, you've been aiming towards the little panda fighter, but I think we need...
That's because I didn't know about these other two Titanic movies at first.
Well, if we're gonna do the next commentary, we're probably gonna take a couple of weeks or so to heal our emotional scars,
Yes.
and we will have more victims, including Nikki, who introduced this movie to us.
The series to us.
Yes, this is all your fault.
Damn you, Nikki. Damn you.
You blew it up.
Oh, you brought it up.
You brought it up and blew it up. You blew up our emotions. You ruined our minds.
You mind ruiner.
Mind monster.